It's going to be success. What? Number 2. Success. Keys to success, number 2. Or whatever, success, whatever. Secrets, advice, whatever you want. Well, I guess number 2 will be shut up, don't talk too much. But yeah, that should be further down. Actually, number 2 is, if you start something, make sure you finish it. Don't quit in the middle. The difference between those who are successful to those who are not successful is their ability to start something and to finish it. For example, you start playing a guitar. Millions of people start to play the guitar. Millions of people. Very few people actually who play the guitar well, because they are the ones who actually continue doing that. Many people start martial arts, and then it becomes difficult, it's not convenient, schedule, go to school, go to work, your wife, your food, your this, your that. Does not make a difference. If you really want to be successful, you want to be good at something, you have to continue until you're done. Argument's sake, let's say you start martial arts. You start martial arts, it's terrific. You go and you get your, I don't know, whatever, yellow belt, green belt, purple belt, black and blue belt, whatever it is, you get belt. And then most of the people drop. So if you have 100 people that start, you're going to have, I don't know, 20 people to a brown belt, 5 people to a black belt. And then the problem starts that out of those 5 black belts, maybe one will continue beyond that. Most people will quit there. You start something, you want to commit to something, you like it. If you don't think that you're going to be able to continue, don't start it. It's a waste of time, energy, effort, and it does very bad things to your self-esteem. Look very carefully. Choose what you like. It could be martial arts, it could be painting, it could be photography, it could be learning languages, whatever that will be. Make sure that this is really what you want to do. Make sure that this is really what you want to do. Once you realize what you're going to do, don't stop. Go with it until the end. Go until the end. That's how you're going to get success. That's how you're going to become successful. That's how you're going to become good. And a person needs to be good. A person must become an expert or be good at something in his life. At least one thing in your life. If not, it's just a waste of time.